Hi, this is John Ozzie, Head of Training and Development at AudaCity Capital. Today I'm reviewing the account of Pramod. Pramod has been trading with us from the 19th of April 2021 up until the present date of 27th of May 2021, and this is his journey. Pramod has a daily gain of 10.2%, an absolute gain of 5.515%, and a daily gain of 0.26% with a monthly drawdown of 7.84% and a monthly drawdown average of 2.01%. As we can see, as Pramod has started, we can see the drawdown of zero point 0.2 and the lowest drawdown is 3.55, but overall we can see Pramod has gone on to preserve the account and hit his 10% in May. How did Pramod do this? This is very interesting. Going down, we can look at the advanced statistics. Pramod has a total of 36 trades. And out of those 36 trades, he was successful 26 times out of the 36, which represents 72%. And he lost only 10 trades out of 36, which represents 28%. So Pramod is 72% effective with his strategy. So looking at the pairs traded, it's very interesting to see how he achieved 10%. Pramod has been trading only one pair, which is a pound US dollar, and has a total of 22 trades on the long side and 36 trades on the short side, which brings us a total of 36 trades and 14 on the short side and 22 on the long side. So altogether, he's gained 358.8 pips on the long and 27.3 on the short. And if we look at the history, there's not a lot to go by, just a few pages if we scroll down. It's only 2 pages, but this is a very effective trader. This trader knows what he's doing. He's very precise. He's got a set strategy and he's focused on one pair, which gives him much more concentration, clarity, discipline, and consistency with the results. And as we see now, we can see he's been trading 0.5 a few times. And as we can see on average, if we look at the pip gains range between 15.4 to a staggering total of 59.5, 23.9, 8.3. He's still getting pips in. He's trading sometimes at the maximum lot size, and a few times you can see he's reduced his lot size to build up the deficit. But the only thing I'll say here, and what I don't agree with, is not using a stop loss. I always have a go at all traders, even myself. I use a stop loss. A stop loss protects you protects you from uncertainty in your trading. So it's always recommended you trade with a stop loss. Also, you can see on the second page, one stop loss was hit. He had a stop loss in place, as you can see, 1.41105, and he only lost about 28.9 pips. But overall, small consistent gains gets the job done. 30 pips, 40 pips, 10 pips, 4 pips. A pip is a pip. At the end of the day, you only need 300 pips at the maximum lot size to hit your 10%. It's a very simple concept, but very hard to execute due to the mindset. Looking at the monthly analytics, April, Pramod has done 4.05% and in May 5.9%. So definitely he's grown consistently over the 2 months. Congratulations on hitting your target. Now you're managing 30,000 US dollars, and I can see you actually started on the next level now managing, and I can see you got 23 pips you're successful on, and you got 234 pips. You have one position where you took a loss at minus 1.2, so that's 12.6 pips, and you took a loss at 20.9 pips. And the reason why I think you took this loss today, actually around 2:30, is because the pound got a bit stronger than a few people didn't anticipate. Even me myself, I got stopped out on this trade with a few pips because the pound broke out to the upside when a few people were shorting the pound against other pairs. But that's part of the business, risk assessment. And I had to liquidate my position because you could not hold your position during a sensitive news release like that. So there's a major factor that boosted the pound, but we're not going to the fundamentals. This is just a review, but very well done in managing your account, and congratulations. I always like to leave a few recommendations. As a trader, always focus on what works for you. And as we can see, the pound US dollar works for you. Please always understand you can only control 4 things when you're trading. That is your risk. Your risk can be controlled by yourself. Your time, the time, you cannot really control your time to a certain level, because you can control the amount of time you use to analyze the market, but you cannot control the market to give you your profit. Your behavior can be controlled. That's your mindset. That's all down to you. So focus on what you can control. Stick to what you're doing, maintain your discipline and consistency, and also join like-minded traders on the AudaCity community app. That will help you become a better trader as well. Go on YouTube and watch my webinars and the tips I give on that, and what I post on the AudaCity community app, and that surely will help you become a better trader and always help you improve your mindset and your psychology. And I wish you all the best. Congratulations on your 10%.